Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to install a configuration profile on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open Safari and go to the website where you need to download the configuration profile. For example, I'm downloading an AirTag profile. Once you find the profile, tap on Profile. Then tap Download. You'll see a pop-up asking for permission. Then tap Allow. Now, go back to your home screen and open the Settings app. At the top, you'll see a new option called Profile Downloaded. Tap on it, then tap Install. You'll be asked to enter your passcode. Go ahead and type it in. Next, review the profile information. If you're okay with it, tap Install again. Confirm by tapping Install on the pop-up. Once done, tap Done. Your profile is downloaded. Under the Configuration Profile section, you can view details of the profile anytime. If you no longer need it, simply tap Remove Profile. And that's how you install a configuration profile on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.